Hello everybody and welcome back to Kelly Family's Adventures. We are on the allotment again. I will show you a bit of progress we've done. So Sarah's there building an arch for roses. Sam was happily building what we thought were a stand-up greenhouse. It's not, it's the polytunnel.
No, it's not.
Zayna, hold the dog please. Got some more fruit and veg to go in. We put all these down. All my Temu orders. Can't go wrong. Yeah. And this is what Zayne's done. We built this today. We got for his birthday, and this is his little potting station he's going to be doing. Obviously, greenhouse went up last time. Chilies and peppers and stuff are coming on well. So let's take you a bit further down. Let's see what we're going to do, what we've got planned. So this little thing here, as you can remember from the last one, is strawberries. We've got a few more strawberry plants to put in, and they'll stock it really up for next year. I'm going to dig this mound out tomorrow. Got some more raspberry canes to go on this bit. So from this bit here, where that box ends, all across here, all up there, all around here, this bit, well, these black currants, and this is a grapes I showed you earlier. So all this section here at the bottom, there's going to be different varieties of fruit, and we're going to go, I think we might go about here for the fruit. So all this bit up this top end here will be all different types of fruit, rhubarb and stuff. Obviously that greenhouse will be coming down when we build our shed there with a little veranda so we can sit out and have a cup of tea. So all this really is our growing area, and we'll see once it's all dead and down and stuff, we'll start laying paths down, seeing what we want to grow, where we want to grow it. I've got a little water tap and water butts there. But yeah, that's just a quick update. What I'll do is I'll put what we're going to do tomorrow on end of this one as well, so it'll all mash together as one big one, because we're going to be down and doing a lot more work tomorrow. But yeah, stay tuned, like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Hello everybody, welcome back to Kelly Family's Adventures. Another plot update for you today. We just come down to do some bits and bobs. So I'll show you about what we're doing at the minute. So I'm currently clearing this corner here. I'm going to try and clear as much as I can today down there. If you look down there, look, Sarah's just putting lights around the arch that she did the other day. So all the little rose bushes and stuff are now planted. Rhubarb is planted. I'm clearing this corner here so I can plant the fruit trees and stuff like that we picked up. Clear the blackberries and the blackcurrants off, and raspberries off a little bit better. So yeah, stay tuned. I'll give you a little update just before we leave to show you what we have managed to do. So yeah, catch you all soon. Welcome back. As promised, I will give you an update now. So let's show you what we've done a bit today. So if you remember right at the beginning of the video, all this was covered. So I've managed to clear it a little bit. Raked all grass into a big mound there, ready for picking up on weekend. I've started digging this over here. We just see a slow worm as well, which I will put on the end of this video. So we'll walk down here to show you what Sarah's been doing. Zane's made a friend, so Zane's on someone else's spot, chatting away. So yeah, this is what Sarah's done. She's put the roses in. There, look. She's put her little lights on archway that she likes doing. Now she's down there repotting. She's repotted all these plants for us. Because the one, they were too small because we got them from garden centre at weekend, and two, the wrong slugs were getting to them. I'll show you the mint. Mint's come on really well since we repotted it. It's no longer dying. The rhubarb's slowly coming back. But yeah, that was this update. Stay tuned, because I think we're going to do try and do a full day down here Saturday, depending on the weather. So I will let you know how we get on that day. So thanks to everyone so much for joining in and subscribing. Please leave any hints and tips you've got down below. And thank you again for watching and subscribing.